Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to cut the clip on CapCut application. So first thing you have to do here is just go open the CapCut application. In this CapCut application, let's start a new project. I have no project, so I would like to use the stock videos that provide by the CapCut. I would like to choose randomly. And after that, you just need to go click add. And now you just need to take a look on this video. And how to cut this video, you just need to go click this clip until it is in active mode. And after that, you just need to scrolling into the left side this tools. And after that, you just need to go click edit. In this edit, you just need to go click crop. Now we will have a ratio that already provided by the CapCut that you can use here. If you want to make it 1:1, you can click this, and now you already have 1:1 video. And after you're done, just need to click done. That's how the way you cut the video. But if you want to cut the duration of the video, it could be different things. So let's see, we already have it, but then how to cut the duration, make sure that you already decide which part that you want to keep on this video. So let's say you want to keep this, so you want to delete the rest of the video, the previous video. Make sure that this straight line is stopped in the correct position that you want, and after that you just need to click the clip, and after that just go click split. Now you can click the part that you don't want it, just need to click delete after that, and now your video will be start in this point. You can also do the same for the end of the clip. So let's say you want to end your clip here. Make sure that this straight line is stopped in the position that you want, and after that click the clip, go click split, and since you don't want the rest of your video is pop up on the screen, just need to click delete. And now we already have the specific part or specific sections on your video. So that's the way how to cut video on a CapCut. If you find that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.